Over the past few years, we've seen the enormous impact that digital exclusion can have on our residents. Children unable to access education, adults unable to access healthcare, jobs, and new opportunities. We want to support everyone with the right skills, devices, and access to digital services. That's why we need to know who is affected and where, so we can put into place targeted, effective interventions. But currently, there isn't one national data set that tells us who is digitally excluded and where they live.
That's why we created the Digital Exclusion Risk Index. We don't know who is digitally excluded, but we do know some of the main risk factors: age, income, deprivation, broadband access, a mixture of demographic data and place-based information. And we can map these. So we created an open data set of some of these risk factors for every lower super output area across Great Britain. We created a risk index from the data and made the methodology open. And finally, we created a tool for policy officers to be able to explore the index and the data. For us, the local aspect of support for digital inclusion is incredibly important. That's why we work with partners around the country to make this suitable for policy officers everywhere. We've added in local ward names so that people understand where we're talking about with the index. And we've also added in the flexibility to change some of the index weightings and make it more suitable for local priorities.
We've begun to use this tool in Greater Manchester to target our activity with telcos, the public sector and charities. And whilst we developed this tool for Greater Manchester, making it open data has had a huge positive impact. Councils and combined authorities from around the country are using the tool to develop a baseline for their own work. We're proud to work with partners like the University of Liverpool, the Good Things Foundation and even ONS on understanding local digital exclusion risk.